Welcome to All American Medical Supplies video on how to assemble your McKesson shower chair with removable back. I've unboxed everything for the shower chair. Now it's time to assemble it. I've got the bath seat, backrest, the cross beams, 4 legs, and bolts. 4 long, 5 short. Grab the seat and flip it over. You'll see some markings. This one says rear with an arrow. That's the back. I'm going to turn it towards me and lay it flat. Now it's time to grab the cross beams. 2 cross beams, A and B. First, put the B cross beam and line it up so you've got B and B. Then take the A beam and line it up close to the A. In the center, put some pressure and grab a short screw. Insert, righty-tighty. Next, let's grab the beams for the backrest. Grab the beam and you actually have 2 adjustments here. I'm going to have the backrest be closer to the seat. So I'm going to use this opening here. Grab a long screw and insert it all the way through. I'm not going to tighten it all the way because I need to insert the other end. Do the same for the other side. Now I'm going to tighten all the screws 3 more turns. Now it's time to insert the leg rest. Silver button to press it. Line the leg rest above so the holes are matching up where the button is. To press and slide. To press, slide. Alright, now repeat it 3 more times. Ta-da! Last part, time to put the backrest on. Flip the shower chair over. You've got 2 openings. Grab the backrest, line them up, and insert the remainder screws. I'm putting pressure on the backrest while I twist the screw in. I'm not tightening it all the way. Now I'm going to tighten the rest. Everything's tight. We're fully assembled and ready to go. Drop it in your bathtub and you're all set. Make sure to adjust the height so that when seated, your feet are touching the floor of the bathtub. Thanks so much. Bye now.